Number 6. There are 4 students working on an assignment in class. Mike has completed 1/9 of the assignment. Gwen has completed 11% of the assignment. Jorge has completed 0.12 of the assignment. And Ty has completed 1/8 of the assignment. Which of the following lists the students in order from least to greatest by the amount of the assignment they've completed? All right, least to greatest again. So I like to change these each to a decimal. All right, so I'm going to change that 1/9 in a moment on my calculator to a decimal. I can do the 11% right now. That 11% I'm going to write as 0.11, changing it by moving the decimal 2 left. 0.12 is already good, right? Already in decimal format. So we're good here. 0.12, 0.11, those are good. And then the 1/8. So we're going to go over to our calculator and do that division of the 1/9 and the 1/8. So we just do 1 divided by 9 and 1 divided by 8. So it looks like we have 0.1 repeating and 0.125. Back over to our question. This was 0.111 repeating, right? And the 1/8 was the 0.125. So now I'm looking at trying to order these from least to greatest. So I'm going to look at that first decimal place. Well, each of them in the tenths position have a 1. Okay, so in order to find the least, I'm going to have to go to the next spot. Okay, we've got a 1 there in the second spot there, a 1 there, a 2, and a 2. So we're between the 0.1 repeating and the 0.11. And since the 0.1 repeating has more decimal places after that, it is bigger than 0.11. Okay, so our least needs to be the 0.11. Okay, so maybe I'm going to call this maybe not number 1, but maybe number 4. Okay, so this is our least. I'll call this number 4, and then we'll go back and get the names in just a minute. All right, the next one in line then would be the 0.111 repeating. Okay, so he's number 3 in line. And then we go to our 0.12 and our 125. And so it looks like our number 2 in line for bigness is 0.12 and our number 1 is 0.125. So let's see if we can go back to the names now associated with those. All right, so the least was that 0.11. That was Gwen. Okay, so Gwen has to be the first in our list. So I know I'm F or H right now. Okay, we've got Gwen. The next we figured was the 0.111 repeating. That was Mike. That was the 1/9. And so I'm sort of ready to go here because they're now no difference. But let's make sure we understand. Jorge was the 0.12. That was our next in line. And finally, the 0.125 was Ty. And so I'm going to pick F